Have you ever dreamed of becoming a god? Well, in this video, you can become one, or at least you will be so powerful that you can destroy a 10-year-old at a game who just switched from playing with his toy cars to being a professional gamer. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Let's get back to the video. How do gamers even hack games? There are many different ways to hack a game, but in this video, we'll focus on hacking a game by manipulating variable values. This entails a process of pinpointing and modifying specific data, which represent in-game attributes that are actively stored in the game's dynamic memory, RAM, during runtime. Now, I know this sounds complicated, but it's actually not that hard. Let's get a better understanding by providing an example. Say you have a weapon and this weapon has a certain amount of ammo. First, you have to pinpoint the value of the ammo, which is, for example, 30. In our example, the value of 30 is stored in address 2. However, more often than not, there are multiple addresses containing the number 30, but these addresses don't correspond with the value of the ammo. Therefore, by lowering the ammo to 29 and then to 28, you eliminate all the addresses that aren't associated with the ammo. After finding out the address associated with the ammo, you can easily modify this value to your needs. Let's get a grasp of what I mean by actually cheating in a game. First things first, you'll have to download Cheat Engine. You can do this by opening the browser and typing in Cheat Engine. Click on Cheat Engine to open the page. Then click on Downloads. Then click on Cheat Engine 7.5. Now this will download a .exe file, which you have to open. Once it is downloaded, click on OK. Click Next. Now here it is important that you click on Skip All. So we click on Skip All. After a successful installation of Cheat Engine, open it, and then you get asked whether you want to try out the tutorial. Click Yes. Click Next. As you can see, the health attribute currently has the value 100. Click on the monitor button and click on tutorial. Now click on value type and select all. The next step is to go to value and type in the current value of the variable you want to modify. In our case, the value is 100. Then select first scan, and here you can see all the addresses that have the value 100 besides our address for our health attribute. Then click on hit me, which decreases the current value of health. Go back to change the current value one more time. This time the value is 95. Click next scan, et voila. We found the address corresponding to our health variable. All we have to do from here on is to change the value that is contained in this address. Click change value of selected address. Now you can start cheating by typing in your desired value. And as you can see, after clicking hit me once again, the value is updated to our specified value. As I always like to put it, knowledge without action is like a car without fuel. It goes nowhere. Therefore, let's try out Cheat Engine on a real game. The mechanism stays the same. On the right-hand side, you can see the game. On the left-hand side, you can see Cheat Engine. Similar to the tutorial, click on the monitor icon. This time, select the name of the chosen game. In my case, it's OpenTTD. As highlighted, my bank balance is 1000. We will go to value and type in 1000 to get all of the addresses with the value 1000. Then select new scan. Now you can see all the addresses containing the value 1000. In the next step, we will lower our bank balance by buying new land. Our updated bank balance is 464. Again, we will go to value and type in 464. Don't you dare click on new scan. Instead select next scan, and here we found the right address. Oftentimes this takes more than just one iteration. We just had luck. Now we just have to change the value of the address to our desired value, and we hacked the game. Let's change it to 20000 coins. If you now have a look at bank balance, you will see it got updated to 20,000. Finally, we can play God.